Hello, I'm Nicole Perez. I'm the office manager here at ATW Fleet Services. We are a full-spectrum automotive repair facility specializing in automatic transmissions. With over 9,000 square feet and 7 service bays, we have the capacity to get your vehicle in and out as quickly as possible. Our mechanics have over 50 years combined experience working on automobiles and rebuilding automatic transmissions. Due to the volume of work that we do, we have superior pricing, and we are able to pass that down to you as a customer and save you money. We believe in supporting local businesses. We buy all of our torque converters here by a local Sacramento company. ATW Fleet Services in Rancho Cordova is your one-stop automatic transmission and automotive repair shop.